Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a substitute teacher job application letter, step by step. I'll explain what each part of the letter is about, why it's important, and share helpful tips so you know exactly what to write when applying for a substitute teaching position. Let's start by understanding what this letter is. A substitute teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a substitute teaching position with a school or school district. This letter introduces you as a flexible and dependable educator, highlights your classroom experience, and explains your ability to adapt to different grade levels, subjects, and school environments. This letter is usually submitted together with your resume and credentials, and it plays an important role in whether you are added to a substitute teacher roster. Now, let's go through the letter and break it down. We begin with the sender's details at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, your home address, your professional email address, and your phone number. This information allows the school district to easily identify you and contact you when assignments become available. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Rachel Thompson, 5612 Brookfield Avenue, Columbus, Ohio, 43229. Email, rachel.thompson@email.com. Phone, 614-785-9426. When writing your own letter, always use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is accurate and active. Next comes the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the school district organize and track applications properly. Always write the full date. In this letter, the date is written as date, March 17th, 2026. Always remember to update the date before submitting your application. After that, we write the receiver's details. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. Addressing the letter properly shows professionalism and attention to detail. In this letter, the receiver's details are Hiring Manager, Columbus City School District, 3700 South High Street, Columbus, Ohio, 43207. This tells the reader that your letter is intended specifically for their district. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter, so the reader immediately knows what the application is about. In this letter, the subject line is written as Subject, Application for Substitute Teacher Position. Keep your subject line clear, short, and professional. Now, let's talk about the salutation, which is very important. The salutation is how you respectfully greet the reader. If you do not know the person's name, Dear Hiring Manager is an appropriate and professional choice. In this letter, the salutation is written as Dear Hiring Manager. Never skip the salutation because it sets the respectful tone for the letter. Now we move into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph, which is the introduction. This paragraph explains why you are writing and briefly introduces your experience and strengths as a substitute teacher. It should clearly state the position you are applying for. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression and tells the reader right away that you are suitable for substitute teaching. Tips for this paragraph: highlight flexibility, adaptability, and confidence. In this letter, the first paragraph is written as I am writing to apply for the substitute teacher position with the Columbus City School District. With experience supporting classroom instruction across multiple grade levels and a strong ability to adapt quickly to different learning environments, I am confident in my ability to maintain continuity and a positive learning atmosphere for students. This paragraph clearly introduces the role, experience, and key strengths needed for substitute teaching. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your classroom experience and responsibilities. In this paragraph, you describe your previous experience working in schools and supporting teachers and students. This shows that you understand classroom routines and expectations. Why this paragraph is important is because substitute teachers must be able to step into classrooms smoothly and manage students effectively. Tips for this paragraph: mention classroom management, following lesson plans, and maintaining a safe environment. In this letter, the second paragraph is written as, in my previous role as a classroom aide at Northview Elementary School in Columbus, I assisted teachers with lesson delivery, supervised students, and followed established classroom plans and school policies. I am comfortable managing classrooms independently, maintaining student engagement, and ensuring a safe and respectful learning environment. This paragraph demonstrates reliability, adaptability, and classroom management skills. Next is the third paragraph, which focuses on your professional qualities and alignment with the district. This paragraph explains your reliability, flexibility, and commitment to supporting both students and staff. It also shows why you want to work with this specific school district. Why this paragraph is important is because substitute teaching requires dependable and flexible individuals. Tips for this paragraph: highlight availability, professionalism, and willingness to help where needed. In this letter, the third paragraph is written as, I am reliable, flexible, and committed to supporting both students and staff whenever needed. Columbus City School District's focus on educational excellence strongly aligns with my professional values, and I would welcome the opportunity to contribute to your schools. This paragraph shows strong character and alignment with the district's goals. Now let's look at the final body paragraph, also known as the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely states your availability, thanks the reader, and expresses interest in supporting the teaching team. Why this paragraph is important is because it closes the letter professionally and positively. Tips for this paragraph: be polite, appreciative, and confident. In this letter, the closing paragraph is written as, I am available for assignments at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to support your teaching teams. This paragraph leaves a strong final impression. After that, we end the letter with the closing phrase and signature. The closing phrase is usually sincerely, followed by your signature and your typed name. In this letter, it is written as, sincerely, signature, Rachel Thompson. This completes the formal structure of the letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing a substitute teacher job application letter. Always emphasize flexibility, reliability, and professionalism. Tailor your letter to the school district, highlight your classroom experience, and keep your writing clear and respectful. Proofread carefully, because substitute teachers must follow instructions accurately. Most importantly, show that you are dependable and ready to support students whenever needed. And that's how you write a substitute teacher job application letter, step by step, in a clear and professional way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more easy and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials, and see you on the next video.